Hello pure souls, welcome to my channel. Let's see what message is coming for you today. Before I read a card, just do om chanting. This is not a channel message. This is not a message for a specific person. This is for all whoever out there watching this video or watch this video will watch this video. So just do om chanting because it's needed for your whole body, mind and soul, and also covered aura. So it protects your aura. It gives you the healing body, mind and soul, and aura too. So it gives you uh, it's it provides your aura in a right shape, right? And because of that you feel protected, you feel safe, and you live your life fully. Whatever your potential in this lifetime, real potential in this lifetime, you can achieve, you can able to achieve uh, that potential, whatever you got in this lifetime. So you live your life fully. So just do om chanting. This is this is the message for all of you. And if you love this message, so you can share this video for all, so everyone can chant om, because om gives you the power to achieve your highest potential in this lifetime. So just share it, and uh, earn good deeds, right? So I'm going to pick one card for you. So lovers card, Purush and Prakriti. So it gives you the balance, it gives you the growth. And 6 number card also uh, giving the same message, balance and harmonies. And lovers card is here. So ultimate partner you got after that, and you never ever uh, concern for others opinion. You can able to find your own your right partner or your right company or your right job or everything, whatever right for you, you can get easily. And balance and harmony is here. Balance and harmony provides uh, Purush and Prakriti. So, and growth is here, lots of creativity, whatever you got in this lifetime, you got uh, the art, and there lots of growth, lots of green leaves is here. So lots of growth is here, and and you just cover that growth in the blackness. So just remove it, because growth wants to coming into your life, and they want you will be happy and live a happy healthy life. So just uncover your growth, uncover your creativity, and uncover your happiness. So this is the message for someone specific who cover their creativity. So don't bother that thing. This is not the uh, your private part or like that. This is this is uh, this uh, this area belongs to root chakra, and root chakra have energy. So in this spiritual journey, that energy coming, going to forward, going to upward. So if that's called enlightenment process, right? So don't just clean your root chakra, just clean your root chakra, and just clean your clothes too. And yellow color suits you. So yellow color suits you, so just wear it. And don't hide your energy, don't hide your energy, because you are kind of lamp, right? Street light. Lots of people uh, trying to grab that light or needs that light. So just don't cover your energy, true energy, because lots of people needs that energy, and you are kind of lamp or light worker or light rider kind of person you have. So don't push back or don't cover yourself in the darkness. So just uh, accept whoever you are, because you are the Lord Krishna, or you have Lord Krishna's energy. So don't uh, push you in the darkness. Just accept yourself, and don't be bothered for Radha, because Radha is also you, and and whatever Radha's energy is different, and your energy is different. So whoever your divine counterpart, so don't worry, she will be fine. She is powerful, and maybe she is a jewels maker. So so don't worry, don't bother for her, don't be bothered for her. Just work for yourself, because you are here to do something better for you and others too, because there is some kind of light you have. So you have provide others that light. What can I say? You are the provider one. You are the provider one. So please take it what it is, resonate with you, and leave the rest behind. For someone, bronze bangle suits you, and you will be protected. So that kind of bronze bangle you can use in right hand, right? So this is the specific one, that kind of broadness you have to measure it, right? And after that you can make it or made it or buy it from anywhere. So you have to wear this for your protection, for your right hand, because your right hand some kind of magical powers, because this is the musical instrument. Maybe you play the instrument in the right hand, with the right hand. So just protect your hand. So this is the message for someone. I am going to stop here. Thank you so much, love and light. And green clothes, you have to clean your clothes. Whoever out there, just clean your clothes. If you have green scarf, so just clean. If you have yellow pajamas, just clean it, because this provides something. Green gives you the heart healing, and yellow gives you the confidence. So if you have that kind of clothes, just clean, dry clean, and just clean that cloth. And sometimes you can hold it, you and or say it, you gives that clothes gives you the healing. So you have to clean those clothes, right? So, and please take it what it is, resonate with you, and leave the rest behind. Someone's third eye going to open, or your pingland gland, right? I don't know that name is pingland. I think I pronounced right. So that gland going to activate. So don't worry, you will be fine. Growth is here. Some kind of visions are coming. Maybe tree or leaves you saw, you can saw, or uh, if don't make some kind of faces, or you saw faces, just ignore it. There is nothing. Just trying to balance your third eye chakra, right? You can wear labradorite, Labradorite crystal, you can wear it, or you can buy that kind of angel labradorite. You can work with labradorite crystal, so you will be fine. So don't worry, balance and harmony is here, and you will be fine. And just balance your divine feminine or divine masculine energy, so you will be fine, totally fine. So don't worry, just be happy. And elephant elephant totem you got, or anger elephant you saw. Maybe your past have some kind of memories. Just clean it your subconscious mind, and you can uh, donate some elephant, uh, some kind of meal you can donate for elephant. So this is the message for some person who suffer some kind of trauma, or who is scared for elephant eyes, anger eyes, angry eyes, right? So you can give some kind of food for elephants, so it that problem will solve soon. Or if you have past trauma, so just clean your subconscious mind or past subconscious mind. So it will solve, your problem will solve soon. So this is the message for today. I'm going to stop here. Thank you so much. Love and light. Live a happy healthy life. Thank you.